How to download Fortnite on PC. Let's get started. Firstly, you'll need to navigate to this one website, Epic Games. Once you're in the official website of it, you can sign into your account. Likewise, you'll need to download this game installer. So click on the option of download given at the top right. Once it has been downloaded, you'll need to install it. Then launch it. Then you'll need to set it up, provide your credentials, and log into your account. Once logged in, you'll be directed to this kind of interface. Now at the top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in the game name Fortnite. After game appears, click on download. Now you can navigate to the library section and install Fortnite in your device. So click on the option install. Now select where you wanna locate this game. Make sure you have enough storage. Then click on install. With that, installation process will start. After it has been installed, you can launch it and play the game. So this way you can easily download Fortnite on PC. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.